Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to access the free online trial of SolidWorks, step by step. First, go to the official SolidWorks website. That's solidworks.com. You can simply search for SolidWorks on Google and click on the official link. Once the website loads, scroll down until you see the section labeled SolidWorks Free Trial. Click on it. You'll be prompted to sign up for an account. In my case, I already have one, so I'll go ahead and log in. This is an online trial version of SolidWorks, meaning you don't need a high-performance machine to run it. Everything is handled on the cloud. After logging in, tick the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions. Then choose your preferred language and click Launch. A new page will appear, asking for some company contact details. Don't worry, the details don't need to be real, and no verification is required. Once you've filled in that section, click Submit to start your trial. One last window will pop up asking you to accept the terms and conditions again. Go ahead and confirm. That's it. You're now ready to explore SolidWorks using the free online trial. When you launch SolidWorks 2026 online for the first time, expect a slightly longer loading time. The system prepares the cloud environment during the initial launch, so it may take a few extra minutes. Do not worry. After the first setup, everything runs smoothly. Accept the license terms and allow the workspace to load fully. If a small pop-up window appears, you can close it once the main drawing environment opens. Once inside, the first thing you should do is set your default units. Go to Document Settings and choose your preferred standard. I normally work with ISO and millimeters, but you can select what fits your workflow. Setting units early prevents scaling issues later. Start by selecting a plane and creating a sketch. Draw a simple circle, add a dimension, then exit the sketch. And apply an extruded boss to create a cylinder. The feature builds exactly as it does in the installed version. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful CAD tutorials. See you in the next video.